Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about animations in Angular. So first you need to create an Angular project, okay, and then go into your code into the app.module.ts, okay. So first you need to import something here and initialize that into this imports array, okay. So what you need to import, you need to in your animation module, okay. Without that you cannot able to uh, use animations in your Angular project, Angular app, whatever. Okay, so first you need to import that. So let's import it. Import something from at Angular slash platform browser slash animation. So here you need to import browser animation module, and that thing you need to put over here. Okay, so this is it. You have imported successfully, and then go into your HTML file here in your at ng module decorator. There you need one more thing, which is animation. Okay, sorry, not here, need it over here. Okay, so here we need one more thing, which is animations, and here we can use this array. Okay, so first we need to import something over here, like import something from at Angular slash animations. Okay, so in there you need to import a couple of things over here. So first thing you need to import here is state, then transition, then animate, then by the way all these things are coming from documentation. So if you're going there and just typing Angular animation and hit enter, you can go there and you can find out all of those things here. Okay, so those are the things. So all the things are coming from here. It's not like magic or something else. Okay, so same thing we need here is trigger also. Okay, so if you can go there and see what trigger does. So if you just go a little bit down, you can see where yeah, this trigger fires on some particular state, like some particular animation, like open close. This thing you need to put on the on a particular div, on a particular element in your Angular HTML file where this animation will take place. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so first thing first, so here we need to put the trigger, and then first thing will be like animate me, something like that, and then something like this. And then we need to first define state will be something like before, and then we can put here style, and then that style, oh I just forgot to import style also. You need to style also from this Angular slash animation. Okay, and then in the style you can just set a background color of, let's suppose, red, and then opacity of, let's suppose, 0.8. Okay, now from this state I need to go to another state, which is after, where background color would be, let's suppose, be pink. Okay, with opacity 0.5. Keep it 0.1 for now. 1 for now. Okay, and then for the animation part, okay, animation, sorry, for the transition part, we need something like this from before to after, and then animation metadata. So we need to call our animate function, which we imported right there. Okay, which will be just taking something like 1 second is in. And one more thing we need to put here is transition after to before, and that too also animate 1 second is out. So these things, so we have finally done with the animation part. So let's make our element ready. So div, let's put here animation card, animation element, just for example, nothing else. So here we set the trigger. Okay. At the rate animate me. So this thing is coming from right here. Okay, and this should be equal to, for now, let's keep it equal to before part. Okay, so before the style will be applied right now. So now if I am just going to see this, you can see before style is applied here. Let's put a padding over here so we can see something over here. Padding column 20 pixels. Now if I see it, you can see here, and let's suppose here do some playing around with some padding also. 30 pixels. So before and after, you can see here. If you're just going to put here after, now if you're going to see this, you can see this now we need to do it in animation type. So first we need to make a variable over here, which is toggle animation. Okay, so or maybe is before boolean, let keep it as true. Okay, and then we need to make a toggle function over here so that we can toggle it. This will do this dot is before is equal to not this dot is before, and then is before will be responsible for changing our animation state. Okay, so is before, if it is there then it will be before, else after. So it will be before. So if is before is true, then we can have this before state to be triggered, otherwise it will be after. Okay, so button and then animate me, and then just over here put a click, and then there toggle, just a function. So if I'm going there, Just refresh that. If I'm going to click animate, we can see it's animating. See, this animation is happening. Okay, so this is it for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked this video, do it a like and subscribe to the channel. And for more such informative video, whatever you need, you can just mention in the comment section. I will definitely try to make a video on that. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.